Hi everyone, it is luxury fashion haul time. I have been shopping like my life depended on it. I've also been clearing out my closet. I found this adorable Burberry headband that I forgot I had, so I'm going to wear it for this video. Let's see how it goes. Anywho, I have some clothing and accessories that I've purchased from My Teresa, Farfetch. I've got some goodies from Louboutin, Anna Karen Carlson, you name it. Let's hop right into this. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I would love that. All right, let's hop right into this. All right, so first things first is this double-breasted leather Lamarque trench. I'm obsessed with this and I can't wait for the weather to get just a little cooler for me to wear this. Those who know me well know that I hate fall and winter. Fall is just a signal of all the horrible weather to come. But anyways, I do love fall fashion and I love this trench coat. Now, since it's still warm outside, I've been wearing it as a dress. So here I am rocking this bad boy. I absolutely adore it. It is an oversized fit. I went with a size small. Lamarque sent me this trench, full disclosure. It was something I would have bought anyways because it's just such a fantastic classic. So the leather is buttery soft. It's a lamb leather. I feel like it's not too precious. You don't have to be too delicate with it. But since it's lamb leather, you do want to treat it well if you do go ahead and take the plunge and buy this. I love the double-breasted look. Double-breasted is in right now, but let's face it, it is a classic that never goes anywhere. All right, here's the trench. I'm wearing it as a dress. Big ups to my photographer, Alessia. I wasn't sure what to wear with this. I didn't want to look too businessy, too boring. And she's like, okay, you like hot and sexy, why don't you just wear it as a dress? So thank you for that tip. Okay, next up we have this Louisa Ballou dress, which I got from Essence. It's actually a swim cover-up, but I just loved the colors and I thought it would be perfect for an event I had to go to in Toronto. It's sheer, it's ruched on the side, which allows for a little forgiveness in the tummy area. It's just lovely. So underneath this dress, I wear my Spanx. I have two pairs of shapewear, and one is by Spanx and one is from Walkhole, and they are both amazing. I actually prefer the Walkhole ones because they actually look like little shorts as opposed to biker shorts like the Spanx, which are too long. Here I am, I wore it to the Armani beauty event. It was really well received. I thought the shorts would be tasteful underneath the dress, but you can also wear like little high-waisted briefs, like granny panties. I think that's really quite sexy. All right, so next up I have a pair of sandals and they're by Michael Kors. I consider Michael Kors entry-level luxury, so they're gonna get included in this video. So here are the Jordan heels by Michael Kors. Michael Kors invited me to their showroom in Toronto. They dressed me for an event for the Toronto International Film Festival. I saw these and fell in love. Like, I don't have a really nice pair of just classic black-heeled sandals. These are suede. The quality is lovely, and I love the little platform, which actually makes them easier to wear, more comfortable. I'm not stumbling too much in them. Here I am stumbling in them. What are you gonna do? So here they are up close. I just think that the detail on these shoes is gorgeous. I got them in gold hardware. They also come in regular black leather, black patent leather. I think they come in a nude color as well, and a snake print. The snake print is really gorgeous. But yeah, these are a good, I think, 5-inch heel, and I just think they're the sexiest shoes ever. So these were about $228 Canadian. I think it's a good investment if you're, you know, looking for some entry-level luxury. The shoes are super comfortable, they're very well made, and they're so sexy. Michael Kors also gifted me their new Parker bag. This is the Parker bag in medium in black leather. I love it. It's a little camera bag. So it comes with a chain strap. This is in gold hardware. I'm not actually sure if it comes in silver or any other types of hardware. Also comes in a long shoulder strap, like a true camera bag style, but I've got to be honest, I wish this was removable because I'd probably just use a chain strap all the time. So here's the bag in action. It's just a really cute, versatile little bag. It has got a back pocket for your phone or whatever else you want to keep in there. And the front pocket is really handy as well. And it's good and roomy inside. It has card slots in there and also a zippered pocket. So I think this retails for about $3.78 Canadian. I will link everything in the description box for you guys. But yeah, it's just a beautiful little bag. Okay, next up is some eyewear. I am obsessed with this eyewear brand by Anna Karen Carlson. I've been seeing Anna Karen Carlson on Beyonce, Lady Gaga, you name it, and I'm always blown away by her designs. So when I saw them at my ophthalmologist's office, I was like, I need these to live. So here is the first pair. I'm dead. They are so cool. The detail on these glasses, I cannot get over them. It's so funny. They're not quite me. I love, you know, just classic, fine, very ladylike stuff, but I just feel like a badass in these. They're so cool. The detail on these glasses, it's just madness. So I chose a purple frame. See, they're kind of like an indigo blue. They're adorable. And they have these claws. Like, I just can't get over how chic they are. So I'm going to Spain. I'm going to be bringing these with me and just living my best Anna Karen Carlson life. So I'm not quite sure where you can buy these. You can order them from the Anna Karen Carlson website. I will link these for you. Yeah, they broke the bank at around $1,500, but like, I'm gonna keep them as an art piece. I don't foresee myself ever getting rid of these. I adore them. I'm sorry, the sun is blinding me here, but here is, sorry. So here is the other pair I got by Anna Karen Carlson, and I am dead. I am dead. So I'm just waiting for my lenses to come in. These are the stock lenses that, you know, they're just on the shelf, but oh my God, at the Panther, you know, she's just hanging out. She's just, you know, being cool. I adore this. Oh my gosh. I am just beyond obsessed with these glasses. So my granny had glasses like these. The arms used to go from the base of the glasses and wrap around her ears, and they just reminded me of her. I love my grandmother. She's like my favorite person on earth. God rest her soul. And I saw these and thought they'd be cool. Add a little bling. Is it bad that I can't get enough of myself in these glasses? I love them. Adore them. Cannot wait till my lenses come in and I can actually see out of them. So next up for designer goodies, these Louboutins that I bought that pretty much broke my YouTube shorts. So I've got to be honest, it was my girlfriend. She wore these on Instagram and I was like, I need these shoes to live. They are so painful, I cannot get over it. I think anybody who owns Louboutins, especially these 100mm heels, they understand the pain. So yeah, my girlfriend wore these on Instagram. I searched high and low to find them. I found them on My Teresa. They do come in a lower heel if you really, really want them and you do not want to kill your feet. I don't know how I'm gonna walk in these. They're excruciatingly painful, but I couldn't get over the pink. The pink color just grabbed my soul and would not let go. Wow. I've heard all of you return the shoes, return the shoes, return the shoes. I am going to keep the shoes against my better judgment and all of your solid advice because I just love the pink. I bought them a half size up. I am a size 9, which translates to a size 40 in European sizing. I got a 40.5. You know what? This is the third time I've been walking around the house in them. They are getting minutely more comfortable, but not by much. And I don't do bunions, so these are dinner shoes. They're straight from the car to the bar. Like, I am not gonna be traipsing around. I am going to Spain soon. I will bring them, but yeah, ouchie. Whew. I have always wanted a pair of these, and I finally got them. And they're the most uncomfortable shoes as well. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I am picking some really uncomfortable shoes lately. But like the pink Loubs, this freaking lame lavender color grabbed a hold of my soul and would not let go. So I got these from Farfetch. Yeah, I got these from Farfetch about a month ago, and they are stunning. They're the sexiest shoes ever, and every time I wear them, I get stopped. So they are like I feel they're worth it. They were, you know, they're pricey and they were sort of hard to find. I really wanted the gold ones actually for another event I was attending. The gold sold right out, but I still found these lame ones. Here are these beauties up close. I just love the detail at the top of the foot. They are so shiny and gorgeous, and the color is just so unusual and eye-catching. In my personal opinion, what's really uncomfortable about this shoe is right here. It dips really low on your pinky toe and pinches and cuts into your foot, making you pray for death. They are so uncomfortable. I am going to take them and get them stretched because damn, I really want to wear them, but they bring me to my knees. All of that being said though, these come in a metallic like cobalt blue, and I'll be buying them too. All right, next up is probably my favorite piece in my wardrobe. This is a Ronnie Kobo suit. I adore this. Again, influenced by Instagram. Saw it on this Pilates instructor, and I think she's a Pilates instructor. Anyways, I loved it, had to have it. Thought it would look fabulous on my dark skin. So this whole suit is comprised of an oversized blazer. You know, if you can see that here, this bralette, which was entirely too small, and these fabulous cargo pants. So you can find this suit on Intermix, on Revolve, and the Ronnie Kobo site itself. I think in total it cost me over $2,000, but I adore it, and I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it. I've worn it twice so far, and I've had it for about a month and a half, so far, so good. The only problem is I find a lot of these designers make these bralettes, make these styles for very small-chested women. This is a size medium. I don't know what planet this would be a medium on. So just to give you a little sense of how it fits, I'm just putting it on here. So what I had to do is put this on like so. Half my breast is falling out this side, so I had to keep the blazer closed all evening. I wore it to the Toronto International Film Festival. We saw What's Love Got to Do with It. When it comes out, please go see it. And this is where my boob ends. So I had to bring it down, then hoist it up. Like it was just like, I need a crane for these boobs. But anyways, it's just entirely too small. Looks fine with the blazer closed, but it's still very breasty. I actually bought this for my cousin's wedding, and I probably will wear the suit, but find a different top. So personally, I'm obsessed with this look. I think that the color is so flattering. It's giving me Barbiecore vibes. I got 100 million compliments on this. It was really well received online and in person. It was an investment that I'm just so happy I made. It is such a showstopper. It is so gorgeous and frankly original. I just love it. Love it. Oh, one more thing. If you do decide to buy this suit and you buy the bralette, look at that. If you have large breasts at all, this will saw through your shoulder. It hurt so bad. By the end of the night, I was in pain. I was in a lot of pain, but beauty's pain. All right, next we have Big Top Dom. So I scored this Retrofete dress from Revolve. I had had my eye on it forever. I love rainbow. I love all the colors. And I saw this, the sparkliness, and I had to have it. I needed a dress for a magazine launch party, and I thought this fit the bill. All right, so I'm just turning down the exposure here on the camera. This is how the dress truly looks. I feel like this would be a great dress for a pride party. It's lovely. Retrofete does this in several colorways. Comes in this beautiful, like dark, dusty rose. I think it came in an emerald green, came in black with gold palm trees all over it. Stunning. Okay, so last but not least is another Ronnie Kobo piece. This psychedelic 60s inspired look. I'm channeling Cher with this dress. So a little bit of a funny story with this dress. I ordered this black dress from Ronnie Kobo. Didn't fit me whatsoever. Sometimes I forget that I have double D boobs, triple D boobs. Anyways, sent it back. And their customer service was wonderful. They asked me, you know, they gave me their return options. They asked me if I'd like to exchange the dress. And I was like, no, I'll just get my money back. And I guess like in my email signature, I was dealing with their customer service via email. I have my Instagram account, a link to my Instagram account, and I think she checked out my Instagram because she's like, why don't you try the Clara dress? It'll be really pretty with your skin tone. And so I'm like, okay, I've got, you know, not too much to lose. And she sent me the dress and it fit like a dream. This is a size small. It is outside of my comfort zone. I wouldn't normally wear something like this, but I think it'll be a great dinner dress for my trip to Spain. I want to stand out. I want to look cool. I want to look sexy. And I think this dress is all of these things. All right, here I am in this Ronnie Kobo Clara dress. I love it. It is, like I said, outside of my comfort zone, but I love the pattern. I love the colors on me. I love the mock turtleneck. I love the cutout at the tummy. I just think it's gorgeous. I have some white go-go boots that I'm wearing with these things. They're actually white knee-high boots that I got at Zara. Ugh. And they're actually comfortable. I love them. I just think it's a really amazing, just a really cool look. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've linked everything for you. Leave me any questions you want in the description box, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! All right, bye for now, guys.